Okay, y'all, so the materials y'all are gonna need for this install is just gonna be really simple. So of course you're gonna need a crochet needle. Alright, and then next you're gonna need some scissors. Now I got these scissors because I could not find my smaller scissors, so I gotta work with what I got. And then also I'm going to go ahead and oil my scalp with some olive oil, and I've just got it in this applicator bottle. Alright. Okay, and then of course you're gonna need the hair. So just to start off, I'm gonna go ahead and oil my scalp first. Add a little bit here, just a little bit, and then go to the next one. You can either do one and massage it in, or you can do it all and then massage it in, but I'll do those. And then I just take my finger and I smooth it through, just like that. Okay. Alright, and then I'm just going to lightly put some oil in the back. You don't want to add too much, because if you add too much during the daytime, you know, it's going to be dripping all down your neck. So just apply a light application, but I might as well show you my braid pattern while I'm doing this. So I've just got a couple of braids going to the back. Alright, so this is my braid pattern. And this is honestly like the best I've ever braided my natural hair. My hair was not blow dried. My hair was not straightened. So this was really, really good. I definitely took my time. Okay, so after thoroughly oiling my scalp and massaging in the oil, I'm going to go ahead and head straight into the installation. So here is a look at the packaging. I got it in 3 colors. So this is the 27. And this one I purchased at a local beauty supply store while I was visiting my mom in Wisconsin. I also got the color 1B. And then I also got the color 30. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with this install. Alright y'all, so I went off camera to actually cut my hair, and I still might have to do a little bit more cutting, so let me get my scissors. But yeah, so I went off camera to also cut my hair and do my makeup. So this is how my hair is looking. just like this. And this is my part space right here. So yeah, that's how it looks. Alright, and then just keep in mind that I am not a cosmetologist, you know, so I did not go to school for cutting or anything. So I'm just kind of just, you know, just trying to do my best here, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and just install a few bobby pins to keep it in place. So now I'm going to go ahead and do some additional cutting. So I can see right here. I'm going to clip that. So that is how it's looking right now. Now I like to have a little bit of texture in the front, so that's why I unraveled the ones in front, but I did not unravel the ones in back. So they still have the original curl pattern. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me create this look. And let me know if you're going to try this look in the comment section below. Alright, and then make sure that you are subscribed to my channel to see more videos like this, because I am uploading videos every single week. But yeah, this is it. So I will see you in my next video.